In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to start charcoal for your charcoal barbecue grill. Welcome to The Rural Dad, I'm Jeff King. On this channel, I like to talk about barbecuing, do-it-yourself projects, and craft beer. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way that I found to light charcoal, and that's using a charcoal chimney. A charcoal chimney is super easy to use. There's a space on the bottom where you crinkle up your newspaper. On the top is where you put your charcoal. These holes around the bottom allow you to light the newspaper, and you got a handle, and you got a heat deflector. Alright, our first step, we take that newspaper, crumple it up, not too tight. I'd say 2 or 3 pieces ought to do. Now next we're going to fill the main barrel up with our charcoal. Now depending on what you're cooking, you can fill it right full, you can fill it half full. I'm going to be doing some sausages. I think I'll try for half. And there you go. Now our final step, grab your lighter, light your paper. Child-proof, yeah. All right, now we're gonna let that burn for about 15-20 minutes to catch all that charcoal. Now that you've got 15 minutes to wait for your charcoal to burn, that gives you plenty of time to do other dad stuff like post to Instagram, change a diaper, catch up on the honey-do list. What I recommend? Cracking cold ones. Well, that does it. That charcoal is nice and hot and almost completely burnt through. So right now at this point, we're gonna open up our grill. And we're just gonna dump that charcoal right in there. And that's it. Not only is this the easiest way to start charcoal, it's also the best way to start charcoal because you're not using a petroleum-based substance such as lighter fluid or those little petroleum blocks. If you're convinced that you want to get one of these, I've got links down in the description. You can pick these up on Amazon. They have different models, different price ranges, starting about $14. Ship right to your house, and away you go. If you're into barbecuing, do-it-yourself projects, and craft beer, please go ahead and give me a subscribe. I'm going to be posting more content. Hit the bell notification. You'll be notified exactly when that gets uploaded. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at The Rural Dad. And thanks for tuning in. Until next time, cheers.